Ta-da! Look at this beautiful product. This is amazing. Alright, so in this video I'm just gonna show you how it looks straight out of the box. You can put your AirTag there. It holds a lot of cards. There's a thing right here that you can use to access your cards easily. I love the design. I love the finish. I love the color. Yeah. And it's beautiful. The quality, it feels sturdy. And I can't wait to just throw all my cards in this wallet because it's just sleek, and I think it's one of those things where, you know, it's a conversation starter, a fashion statement. I just can't wait to start using this. So yeah, if you need a quality wallet, check out Furid. They have many designs